everywhere. Take two. This either happens like in the morning in the kitchen or it happens in the bathroom where I drop anything. Anyway, I'm just going to make myself a coffee, a bulletproof coffee. I like to start my day with this actually every morning. And then I'm going to do my stretches. And I will take you guys with in a day in my life. I'm not super busy today, so I hope it's gonna be fun. Super adorable cups, Etsy.com, and they actually have so many cute ceramics. I'm like obsessed. Oh, package. What is this? I don't understand why they put it. Why didn't it ring the bell? Next to all or other 100 packages. There we go. So I start my morning every morning now with a little workout in the gym, and I'm actually super happy about it because the gym was closed for a very long time. It's next to the swimming pool. What I often do is that I put my mat outside and then I can like work out in the sun. Hey Max. Good morning. Max on a phone call. He had to start very early today because with the time difference with New York City, it's pretty early. Let's go. If this isn't gym goals, I don't know. I think I'm the only one who does this in the building. I think I do like 3 times a week, like kind of like a hardcore workout, and then the other days I do a lot of stretching with the bands and the roller because I still have like a shoulder injury to kind of like fix that and to work on my body. So guys, I just finished my workout, or it's almost like physical therapy instead of a workout. I got a lot of questions last time I used these. These are floss bands. I don't know the science behind it, but for some reason if you tie them around your thighs or legs and you do stretches, they're like 100 times more effective. So your body is more like aligned. There's actually someone at the pool, super awkward now, like working out here. So I'm all ready to get into the shower. I want to wash my hair. I actually mentioned in my last beauty favorites video my new shampoo and conditioner from Function of Beauty, and I'm excited to partner up with them for this video today, and I'm excited to share a little bit more about them because I really feel during quarantine I've been taking care of my hair so much more and better, and the results definitely show. I'm gonna hop into the shower. Get ready for today. I wash my hair about 4 times a week with this personalized shampoo and conditioner. You can fill out a 2-minute quiz on the website, highlighting your hair type, hair goals, and personalized preferences, and you will receive a customized hair care product with your name on it. Oh, it feels so fresh. So as you guys know, I have very thin, I don't even know, it's not even thin, very like fine and fragile hair. My mom has exactly the same, and I always find it really hard to find like good hair care products which actually work for my specific hair type, because I had a hard time getting like volume in there and like strength. So what I really loved about Function Beauty was that you can really customize your product for what your hair really needs. So they also have like hair masks and a serum, and obviously like the shampoo and the conditioner. So one of my goals was to get more like hydrated hair, more volume, and less like split ends. And honestly guys, you guys can see it, like my hair has been getting so much healthier over the last few weeks, I would say. In the bottle you can also customize like what kind of color shampoo you want, and even the scents. I got like the peach one, which is like super fresh and delicious. All the ingredients are also paraben free, sulfur free, 100% cruelty free and vegan. also have like hair serum and a hair mask treatment, so I'm going to add a tiny bit. So you can get 20% off of your first order if you click the link in the description down below. Function of Beauty is available in these countries here, so you can give it a try and let me know. I am all ready for the day. I was gonna go to Whole Foods because we had like a very small intimate barbecue with Alyssa and Sammy, whose birthday it is tonight. It's just so weird, like birthdays and celebrations, you can't really like have a party or something. I also need to like bring all these packages away, but it's already like 12:30 and I haven't had breakfast yet. I'm super hungry. I'm gonna ask Max, shall we just go eat somewhere?
Yeah, you look beautiful.
Or like pick us something up?
I just want to say this.
Aww.
This summer, ever since you started like doing your hair every morning, it's just the hair is like.
I know, right?
It's really good.
You know what is funny actually? No, when we met, you remember my hair was like this short.
Yeah, it was really short.
It was
Man, but you're so beautiful.
your hair, honestly, look how long Mac's hair is.
The funny thing
This
is, a year
crazy.
ago, I had this massive bald patch.
This
Remember?
is, yeah, you had the empty spot and
It's
now
still there?
there
Is
is
it there?
like, no, there's like no bald spot there. This, guys, if there's someone here who has so much hair, I'm jealous. Look at this. You've actually been using my shampoo lately, yeah?
I use your shampoo.
It's been
I
finished
use
so
your hair
fast.
dryer. Your hair dryer is cool.
Yeah.
The
Wow,
shampoo-
your
you know what I
hair,
like about
you
the
look very
shampoo?
sexy, baby.
You know what I like about your shampoo? It's not greasy. Like whenever I use that other cheap stuff, my hair would always have this like, it just.
Yeah.
I feel like the soap was not. Where's like, oh, pokey.
Yeah, let's get poke.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Let's
It's a
go.
little strange for breakfast, but I really love poke so much. Let's get some poke. Okay, you finished your thing? We're gonna get some poke.
I love your mask. I love how you have it on the inside out.
I do?
Yeah. No? Is it inside out?
No, I don't think so.
Inside
Oh
out.
wait, the blue needs to go on the inside. I was wearing sunglasses and didn't see it. Did you bring hand sanitizer?
Yeah, I did.
I'm so hungry and these are my favorite Pokeballs. If you're ever in LA or close by Los Angeles Airport, Ali's Fish. Oh my god, this is fresh fish from Hawaii. This is tuna, ponzu salmon, avocado, and underneath is rice. Rate 1 to 10.
This is definitely a 7, 8, 9. No, in terms of poke, I'd say 9.
But you've been out to Hawaii a lot, so you know what is a
The
really
North
good
Shore,
one.
it's really good poke.
And this one? 1 to 10?
8.
An 8.
Mm-hmm.
Me too, 8.5.
You know where poke is not very tasty?
Where?
New York.
True. I don't really like it
Tastes
there.
so bad. The fish is so bad.
It feels so weird to kind of sit outside and have some food. As you can see, it's like kind of in the middle of nowhere. There's nobody here. I think this is literally the first time I have lunch at like a restaurant in like 4 months or something. It's so weird, but it feels so good, I have to be honest. Even though I love cooking a lot too, but I'm expecting a food baby. Lunch was so good. I'm gonna meet Jessie right now, and we're gonna go to like a gift shop or something to find a present.
Oh yeah, it's Samuel's.
Yeah, so we will go there, mask on. Oh my god, I haven't gone shopping either in like, I went to Target, but that's it about the last 4 months.
We got our masks on.
Yeah. So this is the first time that we're gonna go, or that I'm gonna go shopping. So yeah, hopefully we can find some like cute gifts here. Found some very cute presents. We got for Alyssa like really beautiful glass champagne glasses. actually got myself a pair too. Because I was like, they're just so adorable. You can even put little rosé in there. And I know she doesn't drink that much either. So it's actually perfect glass for like, if you want to have a sip, but like not too much. And then for Sammy, we got this super cool like white vase. Kind of like Scandinavian graphic. So we're gonna try to get some flowers quickly from Trader Joe's because everything is closed. So we can make a little present. And I got myself another present. So this is the reason why I know this store so well, because it has Scandinavian candy and I'm not into candy, but it has licorice, and literally the American licorice is horrible. The Dutch one is just, it's my favorite. I got a couple. I first need to wash my hands. Oh my god, these are my favorite. You want one? The big ones are kind of sweet. Most people don't like it. You like it?
Wait, this is so much. Normally I don't like American licorice.
I'm telling you, American licorice is not the same.
This is really good. It has like a nice spiciness to it.
And often when you eat like candy and stuff, you eat like, or people eat the whole bag, but with licorice, I'm like, after a couple, I'm like, oh, I'm good. But
yeah.
if you're ever in LA and you're in Venice, what is this place called? Vloet? Scandinavian store. Really nice. Unpacking. Okay, so these are the champagne glasses I got for Alyssa, and I also got a pair for here at home because I thought these were so adorable. I'm a sucker for like really beautiful, for wine glasses. For some reason the wine just tastes better if the wine glasses are nice too. But this is like a champagne cocktail. Jessie, we're gonna be drinking these upcoming. Can I get a martini, please? Look at these. Like the crystals on it. Extremely cute. Like a little bit of Prosecco or champagne in it. So, got that for Alyssa with some like flowers. And then the vase, I don't know if I can see, but it's not too wrapped up. This is the white vase. And we're gonna put flowers in it. Because I know that Sammy really wanted to get new stuff for our apartment, so. Wrap up the gifts here. I'm going to get ready and we're gonna go say hi, wish them like happy birthday from a distance. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. Also, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys very, very soon.